Hey again, Grant from Number 51 Creations. Promise you look around the workshop. Obviously I teased you a little bit last time, as somebody told me. So we're going to have a look around now, okay? Give us 2 secs. So, beautiful sunny day here in Warminster. So, here we go. As I kept telling people, it's not huge, alright. Basically what we've got there is my table saw and my bench planer from good old Lumberjack. Nice piece of kit. There's the workhorse. Now the lathe when I got it was about 26 years old. I got it from a family member, so I stripped it down. I actually rebuilt the motor, redid it all, rewired it. And touch wood, it should be okay. Working along, there's all my PPE, all right, my mask, and obviously when I'm doing acrylics I'll always wear the face shield, and I'm quite lucky that I do have proper safety glasses as well. All right, most important bit of the shed, my music. All right, all comes out of there. Most people don't like it, but hey ho, which is what it is. I do like my music, but not everybody's taste. Made that out of an old grinder that somebody gave me. They were throwing away. Again, stripped it down, rewired it, took off the old wheels that were both knackered, and then made put a couple of wheels on it, just adapted them. So I got a couple of polishing wheels for my acrylics and any other pens. There's some little projects getting ready to done. Getting ready for the next stage. There's all me pen bits and pieces, all the little odds and sods. And as you can see, got a few pen blanks there, and there's a few acrylics on top there. All right. So just coming round, there's my little sander, bench sander, and a little pillar drill. Again, because I haven't got a lot of room, you notice it's on a swivel, so I can turn it to actually move whichever one I want. Sharpening station, that's Tormek there. An old one, but again, given to me, gifted, so I made the best of it. And it is a nice piece of kit. Needs a new wheel, I think. Coming round, that's my bench, my main workbench. You see the almost finished one of the ammo box pen boxes. That's ready for a show. Notice the scorch mark. I was practicing some aluminium welding for somebody, which was didn't go to plan. I may even do a video of that because that was quite funny. Nearly set the shed on fire. Again, some more blanks. Any Harry Potter freaks amongst you? Those there are the only 3 I've got left. And I do like Lumberjack tools, I have to say. There's my bandsaw, absolutely brilliant piece of kit. That there is my dust extraction system. I've also got a little router table there and a couple of other little bits. I say there's not an inch of space wasted in here. That's a 4-inch tube coming out 100mm. And what I've done, it comes out of my bench there. Hopefully you can see that. It's a bit bright at the moment. So that comes out there, and I use that to extract when I'm on the lathe. I've also got an extension so I can reach anywhere and hoover up with anywhere in the shop. As you can see, not exactly huge space, but it works for me. I don't do massive projects. If I do them out in the garden, or I do them in the garage. I've also got some bits and pieces when I do the final assembly of things like the ammo boxes and things like that. I do them in the house. I've got a little work area there with a 3D printer. I may show you, may do a little video of that little small work area there that I use. Can't take up too much of the house, otherwise be in trouble with the other half. Everybody's been there. Thanks for working. Thanks for watching even. Hope you enjoyed it. It's just a quick walk round. Don't forget, down that way, hit the subscribe button. You'll be able to see when I upload some more. It's always good. And if you've got any comments, love to hear them, good or bad, and we'll see. Thanks very much.